Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preventing Excel from guessing number formats. First, select the target column or worksheet cells. Once done, use data from text/CSV to import files. During the wizard, choose Delimited, then explicitly set the column format to text. Make sure to uncheck any option that trims leading zeros. If you are pasting from another app, format the cells as text or number with 0 decimals. This forces Excel to keep the full numeric string rather than convert it to E+ notation. If you already have E+ formatted cells, you can reclaim the digits. Select the column and run data text to columns. Choose Delimited and finish without changing delimiters to force Excel to reevaluate each cell. Alternatively, apply a custom format such as 0 or a fixed decimal pattern to display full integers. For precise control use formulas, equals text, A1, 0, to get a text representation, or equals value. If you need numeric results after cleaning any stray characters like commas or spaces, finish by locking your chosen format and testing with new data. For quick pastes, prefix values with an apostrophe to force text, or better use Power Query and set column types to text or decimal number during import. Make sure to widen columns so long numbers aren't misread visually. If things go wrong, check for hidden characters, commas, or leading plus signs, remove them and reapply text to columns or a clean formula. If Excel still shows E+, re-import using data from text with explicit column type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.